Hey everyone, I just came back from Walmart and I got these two luggage scale. One is the analog and a digital one. And this one was I got this for $4.20. Regular price is $16.76. And this one is was $19.29 and it says $6.45, but when I rang it to the register, it rang $4.15. So this is cheaper than this one. So we're gonna test it. I'm gonna make sure it's I'm gonna use a dumbbell first and weigh on a regular scale, see if the weight matches. Alright, so let's open up the analog first. I don't need to cut it. Excuse me. Lift it up. Alright, so the manual is in the back of it. Weigh and measure luggage prior to avoid travel overweight and oversized charges. Chrome plated steel baggage hook. Use the hook and to throw baggage handle and lift the weight. So tape measure exceeds up to 39-inch, holds up to 80 pounds or 36 kilograms. So there's a measuring tape here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. There's a measuring tape on this thing. So, and this thing goes up to 39-inch. And this swings back, so you can measure your luggage size too before you go to the airport. I think I must have broken it. It's not going back in. That sucks. How do I put it back in? There's no button to push it back in. What the heck? Alright. Now this is broken. Now this is the hook. You hook this to your luggage and this should move. So, alright. This thing you can put it as 0, I guess. 0. Let's see what moves. My muscle. Oh, okay. So when the so you put this at 0. Is it really a 0? It's off on the 0. It's not really in the center. Anyway, so when you the way it works, when you have the weight and it stays where the weight is. All right. So I gotta figure out how to put this back in. All right. So this thing is gonna go back to the store. Since look, the whole thing came out. I'm gonna continue on by just weighing it, and also it's not an actual 0. It's like about maybe like a third of a pound behind. All right, so this thing's going back, but I'm just gonna try it, see if it. This one first. Next, and this one goes to 88 pounds, 40 kilogram max capacity. It uses CR2032 battery. It's included. So open this up. So this one doesn't have the tape measure, and this one actually has a manual in it. Look at that. This one doesn't even have a manual. Let's see. To power it on, you just pull this plastic here to engage the battery. Yeah, we gotta take it out. Not coming up. No, it's on. Deal with that later. Deal with it later. The battery, by the way, is in the back. So this one is 0, which is good. Oh, look at that, my full strength. Alright, so let's weigh something. Yeah, how do you put 0 it out? Okay, you just push that button to 0 it out. And it has a manual, which is good. Alright, so I'm gonna use a weight and measure it. It's 14.6 pounds for this one. So let's use this one first. The analog, which is not on 0 right now. Let's see if I can push it. Okay, you can actually push it with this thing. You can push it to 0. Then you can line up here. Now it's on 0. Now hook that in. I can't do it right now. I'm gonna drop it. So let's start with this one. So I'm gonna turn this on. 0, 0, 0. Put this in here. Hook this up here. And lift. 14.8 on this one, and on my regular scale 14.6, not too bad. So this is 14.8. See, 14.6 there. 14.8.6 is 14.9. Not bad. Now let's try this one again. I'm gonna use something else to hook it up with. I'm using this Nintendo handle for Nintendo Wii. We'll see how much it weighs. You should add maybe a couple of ounces or less. Let's see. You move. There you go. This one only weighs like 13. Weird. Oh, it went back up again, back behind the 0 again. Let's try it again. Put it exactly at 0. Oh, that's over 0 now. Okay, it's back to 0. I'm just gonna put it there. Doesn't really matter because this red thing is gonna push it in there anyway. Yep, 14. It went out. So it depends on how far you lift it up then. Yeah, about 13 to 14. So, in my opinion, I'll get this one instead. This is more accurate and easier to use than this one. Alright, this is the American Tourister luggage scale. This is the analog version, and this is the digital version. If you're gonna buy one, get this one. Alright, this one it's going back to the store. Even though it's cheap, I'm still going to return it. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.